up, YouTube? This is Manuel,
And my name is Froilan.
and we are Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're gonna be unboxing
The newly released Air Jordan 11 Low in the Snakeskin.
light bone colorway.
So stick around.
The Air Jordan 11 released already their third version of the Jordan 11 Lows in Snakeskin. Last Saturday, May 18, we picked up a pair from JD Sports, and here it is. This really looks nice. Totally different from any other Air Jordan 11 Lows that they ever released. And I think this one they haven't released before, right?
Yes.
Compared to the red for women's and the blue snakeskin.
The Navy Snakeskin.
Navy snakeskin, yeah. So this is the first time since I think a lot of sneakers now are into the light bone colorway because of Fear of Gods. And I think the Jordan brand wants to have their version of the light bone. What do you think, Roy?
I think for the Snakeskin Lows, for me this is the best ones because you can really see the snakeskin pattern, unlike the colored ones.
Yes, actually.
You can really distinctively see it even from afar.
Yes, because the others, you will only notice that it's snakeskin when you're up close, but from afar, when people are walking, you won't really see because it's like majority of the navy, it's majority navy color, and red is like totally like red.
So you won't really notice the snakeskin pattern. And I'm a big fan of white sneakers. So
Yes.
this is basically a clean white sneaker with a snakeskin detail that's not too loud, and you can pair this up with most of your wardrobe.
So if you compare the Jordan 11 Croc skin that we recently have given away, which one do you prefer?
I still prefer this one because of the light bone colorway. Simply because it's like almost white, very easy to mix and match with your wardrobe. This will go with the jeans, joggers, shorts, colored socks, white socks. So it's hard to go wrong with this one.
Initially, for me, when they released the snakeskin, I wasn't really a fan because I'm still with the patent leather vibe of the Jordan 11s. But when they re-released the navies and then the red, it's like, wow, this is nice. And then the photos of these sneakers surfaced, and told myself, yeah, I better have one. In fact, waiting to receive the red colorway of the snakeskin. I'll be receiving it this week, and we will do another unboxing for that sneaker.
That's for
The
women's size.
women's size. However, I got a size 11.5 in women's size, so that's size 10 in US
for men.
for men. Yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited to see that. And then later on, I'll be doing a video to compare all three of them. So, do you like these sneakers? Did you cop them last week? I think the price of this one is about 170 US dollars, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, it's sitting on shelves, I think.
Right now,
Yeah.
so you can pick your own
Easily,
pair
yeah.
with the on retail. So if you have any comments on
These sneakers,
this pair, please put it down below.
we'll try to answer them.
Before we end this video, may we just remind you again that our Ethic Air Jordan giveaway is still ongoing. We're giving away 6 Air Jordan sneakers to 6 lucky subscribers.
And we have already given away 3 of them. In fact, we're very close to reach the 4th milestone, so we can give away the Air Jordan 1 Define Couture. So please help us share this video and promote our channel so we can give away all these sneakers. We will be contacting you through IG, so watch out for it.
Hope you like this video, and if you do, please press a thumbs up button down below.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please smash the subscribe button.
Also, like us on Facebook.
And follow us on Instagram.
Until next time.